Hi guys, welcome to Olive Board's YT channel. Now today's short video on one of the query which I have been frequently asked, which is about SBI clerk mains exam date, right? We are all waiting for this particular important SBI clerk mains exam. So I've got a lot of queries on Telegram, even in my live, of course, classes. You've asked this: when will the exam happen, SBI clerk mains? So yeah, I just want to clarify all of that. And one more thing regarding the cutoffs, right? What will be the expected cutoffs of the prelims exam? What is the expected date of mains exam? When will the result for SBI clerk prelims be out, right? So all of that queries have been frequently asked, and I want, of course, to clarify all of that. Let's move and show you the cutoffs also first. So guys, if I talk about your SBI clerk prelims expected cutoff from Mollywood side, now this is based on our expert calculation. These are not actual cutoffs. Cutoffs will be soon out, but yeah, for state wise, these are the cutoffs that we expect, and plus minus 3 you can do. So this is the range you can see here, right? Now you can also in the comments mention your particular attempts, state and attempts. What have you done, right? In the comments you can mention. One thing I have to tell you is like RRB mains also, right? RRB prelims, right? RRB PO prelims, right? We did give the expected cutoffs, and we were very close to what it actually is. So yeah, I will not say that this is definitely expert calculation, but you don't have to completely, it may vary, completely rely on this one. You probably all remember how you performed in the prelims exam, right? And what was your accuracy, what was your speed? We have seen this, right, in the exam of RRBPO also. After the result we got to know, okay, how accuracy and speed must be balanced, both are important. Even people who have attempted 50 have somewhat gained extra marks for accuracy, right? So that is one point. Please, you have to understand that we have learned accuracy and your speed, number of attempts. Speed means, see, if your speed is good enough, the number of attempts will be good. Accuracy, you will mark the right answers. It does not get guesswork. So both balance would do. Now please understand, when is the result expected? That you, now that you all know that for the remaining states the paper is already over. Remaining states exam, pre-exam is done, right? So yeah, pre-exam is over. What they are saying, result expected, it is by 5th September. Already August, today 31st, it's over. So by 5th, in a few days, we expect the result of SBI clerk prelims for all the centers together. Okay. Even where the centers, the remaining centers where the exam happened a bit late. Now, obviously, they'll give the result for all the centers together, and mains will happen. Mains date will be out soon. How many days gap is there between prelims and mains? If I talk about it, when I talk about SBI, I don't think it will be much. It will be probably 15 days, 10 to 15 days. I don't think you have a lot of time to ponder and think about all of that. I think students have already, who are wise enough, started their mains preparation full-fledgedly. They are doing a lot of practice, right? They are attempting a lot of mocks. So please do that. Okay, I know the anxiousness because we have been waiting since long for the mains to happen. But one thing is for guarantee, one thing is for sure, that this year itself you will get the final result of SBI clerk pre. It will not move to 2022. So 2021 itself means mains will happen. All the process basically will be complete in this year. And how many months are remaining? If I say that, if I talk about that, 4 months only, hardly a matter of time, right? And you will have your mains and then the final result. So don't bother and worry too much about when the result will be out. Please start preparing full-fledgedly for your SBI clerk mains, right? Okay. So yeah, that is what. Don't waste the time that you have in your hand as of now. And guys, we are already having classes for IBPS PO and SBI PO daily. 5 p.m. is my English session on Olive Board YouTube. Other editorial also daily 9 a.m. I meet you. So any new news I will definitely convey. If you want to join grammar course for all your bank exams, you want complete coverage of full grammar topics, please join this new course and you can use my name as a code. Whatever you're buying on the platform, mocks, test series, any course, use my name for extra discounts also. Also do subscribe, like and share, because of course you'll not know about the updates or classes if you do not subscribe to the channel. So please do subscribe to All About YouTube channel, right? So guys, in the comments please do mention how what were your attempts. Very soon you'll be able to, we'll get the dates, right, for SBI clerk mains. So please yeah, concentrate on that preparation, all of you, and all the best for your preparation, I would say. Keep it regular, and yeah, clarify all your doubts. You can ping me on in Telegram also for any other queries, or if there is any other query, do mention in the comments below the video. So yeah, thank you.